Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. Firstly, I want to tell you that I am starting my online English classes. If you are interested, please comment and tell me that you are interested. Mrs. Jayashree, she is an English teacher. She is an English graduate with many years of experience. She will be training you guys. The classes will be conducted every Sunday. As of now, we are starting with Sunday 5 p.m. that is Indian time. My dear friends, I wish you all the very best. Try your best to learn English and I am sure you will rise in life. So please join the classes. I will give the details very soon. And yes, you can just comment and tell me if you are interested or not. Now let's come to the main part of today's video. Many of my friends, many of my subscribers, you guys keep asking me one question. How to concentrate, how to focus on studies. I know, I also faced this type of challenges. I can understand, I can relate to you guys. Many a times it happened, I wanted to study, but my mind will not be with me. The mind want to go somewhere, enjoy, party, be with friends, WhatsApp. But that was the time to study. What to do? How to concentrate? So I have come up with this wonderful video. Please watch till the end and I'm sure you will gain a lot of information. I will share with you quick and effective tips to get focused on studies instantly. So let's find the solution. There are two ways. One is a long-term process, one is a short-term process. Today we will discuss about the short-term process, a quick fix, how to focus on our studies. But if you ask me about the long-term process is that you have to start focusing on your health, on your mind, do yoga, meditation, proper diet, and that is a long-term process. But no, we are not there. I want to share with you a quick fix tips, a very fast and effective tips which will help you to start studying and concentrate. And I'm sure it is very interesting. The 4 tips will be very interesting and informative. So let's discuss about how to study with full concentration. The first thing which you need to do is to find a place where you can study. Remember, the place should be such where no one should disturb you for some time. When you start studying, there should be silence. There should not be anyone who will knock at your door and distract you. So mind it, the first thing is you have to get a place. Now let's understand the tip number 1. My friend Megha, she used to follow this tip. What is this? This is called stay here now. Stay here now is a very powerful process. What you can do here is that you have to close your eyes. Just say to your mind, stay here now, please. It means that you are telling your mind to stay here. Kindly stay here. Let me focus. My dear friend, as a beginner, when you start doing this process, it will be difficult, say for 5 to 6 days. But I can tell you, within a week, you will be able to see the change. You will be able to train your mind and your mind will stay there, will focus, will concentrate. And you know what? When your mind listens to you, you will be able to concentrate on your studies whenever you want. Tip number 2. My friend Abdul, he used to follow this. This is called? Yes, it is easy. What is this? You just have to think that it is easy. This tip is powerful and effective, my dear friend. Remember, when you cannot concentrate, it means that you are giving a mental pressure. Your mind is getting the pain. You're forcing your mind to study. So now what is the solution for this? When you start studying, just think it is easy. This chapter is easy. And believe me, it will not take more than 15 to 20 minutes for you to complete that chapter. It may be difficult, but you have to assume that it is not. Because the practical thing is that nothing is easy, nothing is tough. It is only our mind when it takes it in different way. So, if you consider some task to be easy, it will get more easy for you. However, if you think that the task is very tough, it will get tougher, believe me. Let's move to tip number 3. My friend Shaolin used to follow this. This is called reward system. I like this process. I like this strategy a lot. If you want to put your mind instantly on studies, this is a great and effective tip. So what you have to do, you have to break down your task. Whatever you want to study, break it down. Suppose, let me give you an example. There are 150 short questions you want to study. Break it down into 3 parts. So how can you do that? 50, 50, 50. Now, once you complete the first 50 questions, once you are done with the first 50 questions, reward yourself. How you can reward yourself? Eat something good. Just go out for a walk. Or just enjoy 5 minutes with your social media if you're very much addicted to that. So what basically is happening? You are giving relaxation to your mind, to your body. So after 50 questions, you're doing that. Again, after 50 questions, you are doing that. And you see how easy it becomes for you. Finally, the last tip, followed by my friend Gitanjali. It is a trick, my dear friend. Just imagine that you need to study something, but it is getting difficult for you. You are unable to memorize. So in this situation, what you can do? You need to create your own rules. How? Just make a sentence or a story out of that. I will give you an example. The example is that suppose in a guitar there are 6 strings. Okay, in a guitar there are 6 strings. I know it very well that many cannot remember that. E, A, D, G, B, E are the 6 strings. So how to remember this? Just make your own story. Elephant and donkey got big ears. E, A, D, G, B, E. This is a story I made. Similarly, you can create your own story based on what you are studying. Suppose E equals to MC square. How to remember? You can just remember elephant is scared of monkey and camel too. Monkey and camel too. M, C is camel, 2. So E equals to MC square. Now, color of the rainbow. Many of you guys, including me, still now I get confused all the colors. I cannot remember. So I follow this. Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So I have started from the last one, going to the first one. So Vibgyor. Just remember this word, you'll be able to remember. So my dear friends, these are the 4 tricks which I wanted to share with you. I'm sure you will be benefited from this. And yes, if you like this video, please do subscribe. I wish you all the very best. See you again.